Hey everyone, this is Max from Unsubscribed Healthcare, and I wanted to go over the process of how you will purchase and how you will install the Unsubscribed Healthcare PT Package 1.8. The way that we do that is that after you purchase the package, what will happen is I will send a copy of this form to you that I'm going to request that you fill out. I'm going to send it to you my other email just to show you guys. Okay. We'll click continue, click OK, and then it's going to show you the terms and conditions of use. You can review all of this stuff, but you will get a copy of it anyway. And there is going to be a PDF as well when you finish the installer. We're going to click by selecting this. I can agree, and I'm signing below. I'm going to click submit. After you do that, that sends me a little email. Right, that's going to send me an email letting me know that one of you guys have finished it. So I'm going to come up here, and you can see now Unsubscribed Healthcare has been created. I will click on that, and then what I will do is I'm going to come here and share. All right, so you can see that now that I've shared it, I will send you a link. When that happens, we will come back here, back to our inbox, and we can see now that you can click on that link or you can click in the actual email. Now it will open up the file, but you are only in view only mode. So what you'll want to do is you want to come here, make a copy, and then you're going to choose what you want to name it. You can leave a copy of Unsubscribed Healthcare Installer if you want. You can change it to whatever you want. You're going to select the drive that you want. If you don't have an EMR folder set up, you can set one up and then it will keep everything right in this spot. Otherwise, it will just end up on the front of your Google Drive. So I'm going to select EMR. If you wanted to make an EMR, you click on this little button in the bottom left, and then you can name it whatever you want. EHR, right? So this is going to be inside the EMR folder. Now there's an EHR folder. I'm going to save it in there. Okay. So now you can see that this is the copy that you now own. And you can see my EMR folder now has an EHR folder. And then when we click in there, now you can see Unsubscribed Healthcare Installers there. I will come back here. To install, it's really simple. You click here to install. So I'm going to click that, and it's going to ask for authorization. I'm going to click continue. Click on my email. Click advance and go to PT installer. That warning screen is just saying that I have not gone through the process of getting my program verified by Google. So after you do that, you're going to click this one more time. And this is now when the program really starts to think, and it takes all of the files that I've created and automatically installs it to where you put this file itself. So if we go back to the AHR, you can see that it's already started. So the PT package 1.8 is what will come through. When we come into this, now you can see that it's going to start populating folders and files here slowly. It does take a little bit, but it makes it a lot easier than you having to copy every file over by hand. The other thing is that when this is copied over, if you go back to your drive, you'll also see that the forms that are connected to the data center 1.8 all copy onto the main drive. But you don't have to worry about that. So you can see all of this stuff. The main drive is all right there. But we don't have to worry about that. So we're going to go back into the EMR, click on EHR. And now you can see that these have all created files. So we have the clearinghouse files, we have the CMS color template, we have the form to PDF template, we have your patients, and you have practice templates. So if you wanted to make your own templates, I've made a spot where you can practice your own templates safely and, hopefully not screw up any of the programming. Just copy this file in here and practice on it. And then when you're ready, you can just move it from the practice file or practice templates into the PT templates. And then you'll have your own copy of your own forms and your own templates. And again, those templates will be copied over to every single patient that fills in an intake or subjective consent to treat form. So when we open up the data center for the first time, it'll take a little bit to load, but the functions that I've been able to create is I've been able to make it so that it automatically populates all the information for my programming to work. So you click on this to get started. It's going to ask for that authorization again. We'll click on our name. And then click Advanced. Go to Unsubscribed Healthcare. Okay. Again, sometimes it does that where it needs it twice. I'm not sure why. Okay, we'll click it one more time. And now you can see that it is automatically filling in all of these URLs. And then after it fills in all of the URLs, you'll get a little notification saying that they've been updated. It's going to continue thinking. And what I had it do is that button also now is going to create a forms file in here. And it's moving all of those forms that were on your drive originally over to the forms file. Forms folder, I apologize. So now you can see the forms folder has been created. And there you go. That button that you also clicked on the data center, once it's done, you'll know it's done because it disappears. So you won't have to press it ever again. But that installs all of the triggers that you'll need in order to get all of this working as well. So it's just those two buttons that you need to click, and then you have the full working system. But I hope that you guys like that. I've tried to make it as easy as possible. And again, you might notice that it's a little bit of a different design than last time. I worked on a little bit more design and also making it easier to jump around to different forms and stuff, because there are a lot of forms and a lot of other tabs at the bottom here. But yeah, I can't wait to show you guys more. I hope this was helpful. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments below. Thanks so much.